I have received this marshmallow from Annabelle Cosmetics. Let's try them out. Oh my god, these are fake. Just kidding, let's dig in. I actually never ever tried any product from Annabelle. And I just checked all these products are in very affordable price. And when I received this PR, I was literally in tears. Receiving PRs from different brand is also a blessing. And they're actually supposed to be real marshmallows, so I can eat them. And they also sent this cardboard bag, and here I'm putting all the stuff in this bag. And then I'll try it one by one. And thank you, Annabelle, for sending me these beautiful goodies. I love the tip of this eyeliner. It's really very flexible and it's very easy to use. Thumbs up for the eyeliner. And if you don't want to use white eye pencils, so you should try this beige color eye pencil. This eye pencil is so creamy. I just applied it in one side. So this one is actually not eyebrow pencil. It's actually a kohl liner. I already have that beige eye pencil in my eye, so I thought to apply this on my eyebrow. But this color is also perfect for eyebrow. And this lip liner shade is 300 Spice, but I don't like that texture because it was not that super smooth. The lip liner was just okay. And I'm actually confused about the shade. Maybe after full face of makeup it will look good, but for now, I will try it again with full face of makeup too. I actually was so excited to try this bronzer. The bronzer smells so buttery, but it was not giving me any finishing or any color on my face because it was the exact shade of my skin color. What can I do now? Yeah, I can use it as a foundation, like as a powder foundation, like it will remove any extra shine from my face. It's time to try this translucent setting powder. I'm just taking it on my puff and applying it under my eye. This one seems good. This powder is actually giving me that blurry effect. Have you ever tried Annabelle products?